night of your English book. So hope all of you have understood it. So children, now it is time for comprehension. So move towards the comprehension questions. Try to solve the questions. Okay. So question number 1. What is the poem about? The answer is, the poem is about the gifts of nature in the forms of day and night. Number 2. Who asks questions in the poem? The day asks questions in this poem. Number 3. Who answers them? The night answers the questions. Number 4. Who brings God's light? The day brings God's light. Number 5. Who brings dew? Who brings dew? The night brings the dew. In the night, due to the absence of sun, temperature decreases that leads to formation of dew in the night. So, the night brings the dew. Number 6. Which one is more important, flower or rest? Which one is more important? Kota besi important? Answer. Both flower and rest are important. Both has got uniqueness. In daytime, flower blooms resulting into fruits for our survival, wherein night we take rest to rejuvenate our body and mind to prepare ourselves for the next day. Number 7. Who brings you better things, day or night? We should not differentiate between day and night, as both are important and provide things that are required to live ourselves. तब आम क्या डिफरेन्शिएट आम दुईटा भितर करिपरिबा नाही. ओके कहीं दुईटा आम इम्पोर्टेंट. नंबर 8. Who thinks she or he brings better things, day or night? Answer. In the poem, the day thinks that it brings better things. Number 9. Who according to you is a male? In our country, we consider night as a female and day as a male. According to me, no one is male or female here in this poem, as it is not mentioned in the poem. Poem रे सेंते किछि मेंशन कराइछि किए मेल किए फीमेल. बट इन आवर कंट्री, आम कंट्री रे डे को मेल और नाइट को फीमेल बोली कंसीडर करंत. So students, learn the answers of these comprehension questions and try to answer them orally. Okay? In the next class, we will solve the post reading activities. Bye. Thank you.